got Demonology in the building, y'all. One time for the one time.
April 9th.
April 9th. Big showdown.
Big showdown. Sponsored by Niall Maxwell.
Yeah.
Buckmaster be in the house. Drag Dime. Eric Malone. Down in Dirty South. Fastest cars in the Dirty South. We're going to make it do what it do. YouTubers call out.
Look out. I'm going to be there. I'm going to be there in my car. That's the goal anyway. But anyway, make sure y'all coming in, hitting that like button, that share button. One time for the one time. Right lane for the win, y'all. We got right lane for the win. Make sure y'all coming in, hitting that like button, share, subscribe. We got Miss Maverick in the building too, y'all. We got everybody murdered. We got who else? Got this crap. Got him in here. Y'all come on up in here and see what y'all talking about. Hit that like button when you come in. Look out. I guess they had some problems over there on the other side. Make sure y'all coming in, hitting that like button, subscribe, share, do something. Come on, the man. Alrighty, y'all. Got the big taco mouth in the right lane. Alrighty, guys, we got Willie in the right lane. End up taking a cone out of the center lane. And I'm gonna have to go down there and clean it up. One moment. Alright, y'all. We got the Stone Vic in here, y'all. He's stoned. Yeah, he's stoned and he used to be in the army.
I actually drove the whole way here without smoking first.
Yeah.
Kind of fucked up.
Yeah, but how he got the name was one time somebody had a rock and they threw it at his Vic. And they were looking at him in his Vic, y'all. Everybody was mad because everybody was there. It was 95 Vic. They threw a big stone. They were like, damn, Stone Vic. Yeah, man. That's what we gonna call him, Stone Vic, man. So that's how he got his name. Tickle Fish. We got Tickle Fish in the building, y'all. Tickle Fish got his name. When he was 12, somebody was still tickling him, man. He was laughing like a mother. They were laughing, he was laughing, he couldn't stop laughing. And they were like, boy, every time I tickle him, he have a fit. So they just put it together. Tickle Fish.
Sweater at, man.
Man, I put it up, man. This time we rocking the Lookout t-shirt, man. Got these on sale, all sizes. Small, medium, large, extra large. You can find these right here on lookoutracing.com. Yeah, man, I got shirts. That's it right now. Don't order nothing else on the site because that's all I got in stock. Y'all gonna be on the waiting list. You do something else.